Morning everyone. I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. I just want to remind you what we have studied in the previous session. In the previous session I have taught how the acid reacts with the active metal. So we picked two examples there. We took the example for hydrochloric acid, how do they react with the active metal, and the another one example we picked of sulfuric acid, how do they react with the active metal. Okay, now we are coming for the nitric acid. That is very important case that I am going to discuss with you. Nitric acid. So the information which I just want to give you about the nitric acid, the formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Okay, the normal concept what it says that which I have taught, when an acid react with any acid, like suppose any acid that is reacting with the metal, it forms salt, metal salt plus hydrogen gas evolve. Here I am writing for the metal salt. Okay, but it doesn't happen with nitric acid. In case of nitric acid, if you will think, like suppose nitric acid, you are taking nitric acid plus active metal, so no hydrogen gas evolve. This is the very important statement which you have to understand. No hydrogen gas evolve. Hydrogen gas evolve नहीं होगी. Okay, now I am going to explain the reason why does it happen. Here concentrated nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. So the main action of oxidizing agent to provide oxygen, to provide oxygen for oxidation. So what happens, as here you have to understand what I just want to say. Normally what happens, when any acid react with a metal, what happens, metal salt will form as well as hydrogen gas will evolve. But in terms of nitric acid, what happens, when metal reacts with nitric acid, no hydrogen gas evolve. The reason behind this, nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It provides oxygen for the oxidation, so it links with hydrogen to convert into a water molecule. Okay, so here you have to understand, जैसे ही hydrogen gas evolve होगी, suddenly it react with the oxygen which is given by nitric acid, and in place of hydrogen water molecule evolves. Okay, so now you see here I am giving the one example, like suppose copper plus concentrated HNO3. Okay, even dilute if you will take also, so it will form CuNO3 whole twice. Okay, plus NO2 plus H2O. Okay, so what I have done here, copper is reacting with concentrated nitric acid, that is forming copper nitrate, NO2 nitrogen oxide, as well as water releasing in place of hydrogen. So why does it happen? Again I am telling, nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It provides oxygen for oxidation. So whatever the oxygen releases, this oxygen links with hydrogen to convert H2O. Is it clear? So that statement you must know that. Okay, I hope you all have got it, how the nitric acid reacts with the metals. Okay, that's all for today's session.